Today I'm going to show you something that is called badgecreator.com, as you can see up here. Basically allows you to not only create a badge virtually, but also make it to order for yourself, or if you're starting up a security company for yourself or for others to your liking. So without further ado, I'm going through this the first time along with you, so here goes nothing. So badgecreator.com, I'm going to go on ahead and click on visual badge, and you're going to start by selecting what category you want to make. It's going to be a badge, a nameplate, insignias, tie bars. They have all types of things that you can make. Service award bars, medals, matte black badges, remembrance. So we're going to go to badges, and for the badges they have several styles. They have with an eagle top, no eagle, some custom favorites, new designs, ovals, stars, fire, Maltese, sunburst, and pride, hats, state specific, matte black, and the list goes on. Blue badges, pink badges, commemorative badges, miscellaneous badges, Canada and international, mini badges. I do quite like the commemorative collection, so I think I'm going to start there for mine. So we have 9/11 remembrance and we have inauguration. So I really like the look of the 9/11 remembrance badges, so I'm going to select that. And it's giving you a style for a piece of it. We have some round ones, some oval, other more standard types with just different wording for anniversaries on it and remembrance. So kind of like this one, never forget, but I also like honor and remember. I think I'm going to take never forget. So you can select, as you can see on the right hand side, it gives you a preview of what the final design is going to look like. It says the badge style right there that you selected, the finish. It has nickel, rhodium, gold, silver, etc., etc. Gonna go through and see which one I like. There we go. Gold ray, silver. So for now, I'll go with, looks plain, the gold electroplate. Font type, block Roman. What's this? I do know that hard costs more than the soft enamel type. Lettering color, blue, brown, gray, green. It's not changing. Maybe just for the preview it's not allowing that. Not quite sure. You have attachment types, pin and safety catch, wallet clip. That would be behind that, so it wouldn't show it unless you can. No, you can't spin it around or pivot it. So I'm just gonna pick safety catch. Badge shape, curved, flat. Again, it's just test this out. Lines, lettering for wording you want. There's 4 lines here. You can add a leather accessory as a model. Oh, okay, leather accessory as in a custom wallet rather, which you can also make here. Custom wallet there. Cut out specifically for your custom badge into the wallet and wallet type you select, which is cool. That. And then it shows you the final price. You can add some special instructions. Badge price, it tells you the breakdown of the cost. Badge price, hard enamel, leather accessory. So let's go with, there we go, the lines 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I want for line 1? GuardGuides, service and respect. Go ahead and right click, and there goes your badge. Zoom that in, and just like that, GuardGuides, service and respect badge. And I want to bring to your attention, if you aren't aware, I do have a subreddit, GuardGuides, r/GuardGuides, and we're running a simulation. Security officers often, like every other industry, complain about the industry and complain about their job, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a virtual company. So you don't like your job, you don't like how the industry is run, you don't like how your company is run, let's make our own virtual company. And we can see if we can do it better than the likes of Allied and the rest of them. So I'll leave a link in the description, and you can come over here and take a look at it and see if it's something you'd like to join in on. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the custom wallet. So you can select the style here for your custom badge and they will make a cutout and fit it to your custom badge. To document the creation of my badge for the Axis Universal badge and logo contest. I think I'm going to use a different style of badge for Axis Universal. Browse products. Oh, I like the ovals, the new designs, the stars, the sunburst. Fire is pretty nice. I like all of them. Oh, this is pretty nice. The TAC series. Let's go with that. These are nice indeed. Sergeant, officer, deputy. By the way, if you do attempt to make one and have it ordered, if you're not a current law enforcement personnel, they're not going to allow you to order one. If you are law enforcement or fire and you decide to make a custom one for yourself, they're going to ask to have you send them copies of your documentation to prove that before they'll even print it up. So I think I'm going to go with this one. This one's pretty nice. Ooh, $119, but it looks real nice. So let's see. Gold electro. This one looks nice. Oh, Roman font. I think I like the Roman font. Flat, badge shape, curved. So let's go with Axis, Universal. Let's go with GG, GuardGuides. I can choose a seal. This is nice. Federals, seals require department authorization. Contact your dealer for additional details. Here we go. Now we're getting into some nice designs. What do I want to symbolize Axis Universal? I don't know if you can upload your own, but there's no upload button for you to customize that with your own design. So looks like we have to pick ones available. Oh, I like the state ones with, what's that? Connecticut, Florida, Georgia. I like the design of Georgia, even though I'm not there, but this is for the fictional Axis Universal. So where would we want to register that? We probably want to register it in Delaware or something, right? A business-friendly, low-tax or low business tax state. So maybe Delaware or Wyoming or something. Or maybe Florida. Yeah, everybody likes Florida, right? Oh, I like this one. This New York one. Yeah, I like this one. Let's go with that. Ooh, nice. And I guess for the lines 4, 5, and 6, and have GG again right there, standing for GuardGuides. Maybe I'll add a dot there, some punctuation. Yeah, that. But we'll Admiral. I'll put my rank in there. Line 6. What should I put there? Admiral is the rank that I have on my flare on GuardGuides, by the way. So line 6, what should I put there? Admiral, what? These subcategories of Admiral. First Admiral, Second Admiral, probably. I am not military, if you guessed. Admiral First, that doesn't really sound right. Admiral First Class, will it fit? Okay. For a leather accessory. Going to add a wallet. Okay, well let's stick to the badge. This is surprisingly cheap, as good as this looks. Oh, by the way, they say that it'll take about 4 to 6 weeks to produce, and of course some time for them to mail it out. So $183. You know what? I think I am actually going to order this, if for nothing else, because it looks so good. You can mail the design to yourself, you can print it, you can add it to cart, which I will do shortly after this, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to, again, right click, and you're going to click on where you saved it, and you can look at your design. There we go. I'm going to use this. Be safe.